Welcome back everyone. Now in this lecture we will learn one of the most important features of Python, that is modules. Now modules are very important. I'll tell you why. Now whenever we are writing a program, we always try to reduce the code, right? So that it is easy to understand for the programmer and the program works more efficiently for the user. That's great. So modules play a very important part in doing this. There are two types of modules. One is user-defined and the other one is predefined modules. And the predefined modules are already defined modules, already made modules in Python. We don't have to make it. And user-defined are the modules made by the user. Predefined modules are modules that already exist in Python. So, a very popular module is the math module. Math module contains all the important mathematical functions, almost every mathematical operation. So it is very important that you learn how to use a module. First, learn how to use a predefined module. Then we'll learn how we can make our own modules. So about predefined modules, we cannot just directly use a module. First, we must tell Python that, hey, we need to use this module. So to do that, we use the import keyword followed by the module name. So in this case, we'll use the math module as an example. The math module is a predefined module. I told you it contains mathematical operations. So to use the math module, I'll show an example. The math module has a square root function which will print in the square root of the number. Okay, so what this program is supposed to do is that it will find the square root of 36 and store that value in C, and then it will print C. This is what it's supposed to do. Now let's run this, and you will see a problem that square root is not defined. Why? Because there is no function called square root in our program. Yes, it is inside our math module, but we need to turn on the switch. Square root function is inside our math module, not inside our program. So to access the square root function from the math module, we must first use math dot square root of 36. So if you want to use a function inside a module, you must type in the module name, use the dot operator, and then type in the function name. Simply writing the function name will not work. Now let's try running this. And you can see that it is working perfectly. We got the square root of 36, that is 6 in our output screen. So this is how we use modules. So I'll repeat again. First, we must add that module into our Python file, which we do with the help of import followed by the module name. Then to access a function inside a module, we use the module name, the dot operator, and then the function name and the parameter inside the function. So this is how we use a module. Now in our next lecture, I'll teach you how to make your own modules. It is very exciting. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.